This week I am testing the brand new Kia Sportage, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back row here. I've got 2 InfoSecure Attain More and 1 Aspire More forward facing. Legroom is good back here too. I can fit a 180cm driver in front of a rear facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Number 2 are these fantastic headrests that will hold the iPads for the passengers in the back. My kids love these this week, and also once you've dropped the kids off, you can hang your jacket on there too. Number 3 is the boot of the Sportage has been made bigger, and I can fit a twin pram in here with a really good amount of shopping. I have loved driving the new Kia Sportage with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.